Okay, so now that you're done with the previous part, which is answering articles, nouns, adding with prepositions, let's now start our lesson on the prepositions. Unti-untiin muna natin siya by starting with the. Okay? Start tayo muna sa the. Okay? Generally, guys, the means off. Okay? The means off. But maraming uses kasi yung off. Let's look at the uses of the in the following uh, scenarios. Okay, we use the to show possession or ownership, meaning we want to show the relationship between the subject and the object. Okay, the subject and the object, and we want to show that the object is owned by the subject. Okay, let's look at this sentence. Il libro di Paolo. Il libro di Paolo. Okay, the noun here or the subject here is libro. Okay, and the owner is Paolo. So it literally means the book of Paolo. Okay, or Paulo's book in a sense. Okay. Il nome del ristorante. Okay, napansin natin meron ng del. So, kanina itong the off lang yan. Ngayon man del, meron ng of the. Diba? The name of the restaurant. Okay? So, you can see here, restaurant is a common noun. Kaya meron siyang adult na kasama, which is the article. Il nome del ristorante. Questa borsa è di Anna. Questa borsa è di Anna. This bag is of Anna. Okay? So, ang owner ng bag ay si Anna. La madre di Roberto. La madre di Roberto. Okay, the mother of Roberto or Roberto's mother. Okay? Sir, bakit walang article yung Paolo tsaka Roberto? Kasi these are proper nouns. Again, pag proper nouns, hindi na kailangan ng article. Yung name, correct name of person, correct name of place, correct name of animal. So, hindi na sila kailangan ng article. Pero kapag common nouns, doon may kailangan ng article. To show ownership of creation. Let's say the material that they create, that they possess, is their own creation. So we use the. No? Una commedia di Shakespeare. A play by Shakespeare. So in this case, yung the here can be equated as by. Kasi ownership siya, no? Creation. Un film di Christopher Nolan. A film by Christopher Nolan. Okay? Or pwede rin, you can think of a film of Christopher Nolan. Diba? It's the same thing na. To show ownership, ito naman yung parang sa English na apostrophe S, no? Halimbawa, Adam's apple, 'di ba? Adam's apple or Bea's drink. Okay, may apostrophe S to show that they own that, they possess that object, no? La macchina di mia madre, my mother's car. So la macchina di mia madre, the car of my mother, no? Literally, para rin siyang off phrase, no? The car of my mother. Or literal, pwede rin, my mother's car. Okay? Sa English kasi, meron tayong apostrophe S. Sa Italiano, wala tayong ganon. So we use the reverse, no? Yung parang rephrasing of the word, no? La casa dei miei amici, the house of my friends. Tama? The house of my, ito pala yun, of my friends. Okay, La casa dei miei amici, the house of my friends, or my friend's house. Clear ba? Yan, I think clear naman. So again, yung of ay para sa possession, usually for possession. We can also show it to show connection between two things. Okay, meron tayong dalawang noun that are connected to each other. They describe each other. You see? Il professore di inglese, the English professor. Okay, the English professor. Il professore di inglese. Pag translated ng il professore di inglese, the professor of English, 'di ba? The professor of English or the English professor, 'di ba? Il campione del mondo. Okay, mondo is a common noun kaya meron siyang il. El campione del mondo, the world champion. O literally, the champion of the world. O, the world champion. Okay? Pwede natin gamitin yung of phrase to show material or content of that material. Okay? Kung saan gawa, where does that object made of? Or what is the content of that object? Okay? Let's look at this sentence. La tua camicia di seta. La tua camicia di seta. Your dress of silk. Literally, it means your dress of silk. Or let your dress made of silk. Parang connotative meaning na lang, no? La bottiglia di vetro. La bottiglia di vetro. The bottle of glass or made of glass. Una maglietta di cotone. Una maglietta di cotone. A shirt made of cotton, di ba? So it shows you the material that is made of that object. We can also use it to say the contents of that object. No? Un gruppo di studenti. Un gruppo di studenti. A group of students. So ano yung content ng grupo? What is the content of that gruppo? Studenti. Un gruppo di studenti. Okay? For places naman guys, di means of or pwede rin siyang galing sa from. Okay? E differenze. E differenze. He is from Florence. Did Ove say? Did Ove say, where are you from? Okay, so minsan yung di can also mean from. Okay? Okay? So, praticchiamo. Let's go and answer the questions below. Read the instructions carefully, ha?